Welcome to today's tutorial on how to book activities on Rayna. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to make your bookings hassle-free. Click on the Activities tab, located on the homepage. Choose your desired destination. Pick the date you wish to book activities for. Specify number of adults and children with their ages, if applicable. Click on Search Now button to proceed to the next step. Choose activities from the list of available options or use the search option to find specific ones. Please note that all activities are live and available for booking. Once you've made your selection, click on Select. Select the type of tour you prefer from the options provided. In the Transfer section, choose your preferred type of transfer and specify the number of adults and children requiring transfer. Click on Add to Cart to add your chosen activities to your cart. Now, choose the preferred time slot for your activities from the available options. Click on Proceed to move to the checkout process. Now go to the cart. Fill in your name, country, and customer phone number as required. Select Pickup Location. You have 3 options to make the payment: credit, debit, and net banking. Even you can hold the unlimited bookings on time limit basis by selecting the credit limit option if it is refundable, and complete the payment process by clicking Pay Now. Your activity is now successfully booked. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your upcoming adventure with Rayna.